Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the health player bar in Dying Light the Beast. So to adjust your health bar you have to open the settings at first. To do it, press the O button on your keyboard or move over here and open options. Now choose the second option, which is HUD, and in the section called player you can see the first option, player health bar. So it is visible in the lower left section of the screen. It indicates your current health. Obviously you can switch it always on, you can choose it to dynamic or switch it completely off. Decide which option you want to use while playing this game for yourself. I just show you the exact spot of this option. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it. Leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!